In this video, you'll learn how to use Kanban view in Pipedrive to get a clear visual overview of your deals and pipeline in just a few minutes. First, open Pipedrive and look to the left side of your screen. You'll see the main navigation bar. Click on Deals. Once you're on the Deals page, look for the Viewing options and click Pipeline View. Every deal card typically shows the deal title, value, organization, or contact, and the stage it belongs to. Depending on your setup, you might also notice labels, expected close dates, or owners, all visible without opening the deal. The columns themselves reflect your pipeline stages, things like qualified, contact made, proposal sent, and so on, so you can quickly assess how work progresses from left to right. This view is ideal for daily stand-ups, pipeline reviews, or quick prioritization sessions because it highlights bottlenecks and helps you focus on the next best action. If you're handing off work between team members, it offers shared visibility so everyone knows what's in progress and what's coming next. And if you're working solo, it keeps you organized and honest about where each opportunity truly stands. Whether your sales cycle is quick or complex, the Kanban layout adapts to your rhythm. It surfaces status at the right level, not so detailed that it's overwhelming, but specific enough to guide priorities without guesswork. Keep it visible while you work to maintain focus and momentum. Remember, everything you're seeing is just a different way of looking at the same deal data. Switching to Pipeline View doesn't change your records, it simply presents them in a more visual format. You can come back to this view anytime to get instant context on your pipeline's health. That's it. To use Kanban view in Pipedrive, click Deals on the left bar, then select Pipeline View, and your deals will appear in a clear stage-by-stage board. Keep this view handy for fast, confident decision-making and to keep your pipeline moving smoothly.